first coffee.
It makes you feel. Hey, when you feel it, it makes you feel good. Can turn a bad day to the better. Play another tune. It's gonna be alright. Don't say never. Friends can change your mood. A little fun tonight lasts forever. Will make you feel so good. If you like a long hot summer breeze, dancing to an incredible beat. Hey, with your friends, it's all that you need. If you love the way it makes you feel.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Yung
May
water ko
naiwan ka ba?
naiwan.
Ako natin lang water. Kailangan.
Meron ako fluoridated water. Papatibay din ba kayo ng ngipin? Nagpapasumso kasi ako. Yung tawag na, bakla ang asawa ko.
Hello, good afternoon sa lahat. Welcome to Sagada. And I am Kuya JP, ako yung magiging nyo. Starting today until tomorrow sa sunrise. Yes po. Okay, yung magiging tour natin ngayon, na-explain naman ng kasama ko, si Kuya Denver, ang coffin, si Valley, Rusol, then lastly the cave. Yun yung magiging activity natin. So, good luck sa inyo lahat. Ano kayo nyo? Yes po. Okay, first off, we go to the hand coffins from here, going to the side. It's going to take 1 hour back and forth. But still, all of the tours that we're going to do here in Sagada, it depends on the pacing of the group. Yes? Okay, before we proceed, let's start here from our church. So this church is St. Mary the Virgin Church. It was established in 1904. The first church that we have here in Sagada, it was a cocoon roof. Yes, then from a time in 1907, it was replaced with a proper shingles. And right now, looking from the outside, it looks like a small cathedral. Locally, the stones are from Sagada. Then the people who taught us about masonry are the Japanese people. That's their way of saying sorry to the villagers, because they're one of the main reason why we need to rebuild the church, because of the war. Yes po. And anybody knows about Anglican religion? For now, let's go to the right side. Hindi sa atin yung pathway. Yes. That's all. May nakakala ba about Anglican? Anglican religion.
No idea.
So basically, Anglican is from, it was originated in England. It was started by King Henry VIII. Siguro naman, alam niyo si King Henry VIII. Yes po. The reason why he started the church, he wants to divorce the queen, but the Roman Pope denied the annulment. So the king, what he did close his borders, he made his own church, so that he himself will be the one who's going to control the whole church. Yes. Nowadays, we call it Archbishop. Yes po. Almost same sila ng Catholic. Difference, the priest can marry, can have a family. Then a woman can lead a mass.
Parang same sa ano?
Anglican.
Para siyang
Agripay.
agripay.
Oo nga.
Okay, sir ma'am, any question?
6.
Any question?
Remember sa 6? Yeah.
Wala po. Okay, then dito naman, here, my left side, see those wheels? Those wheels po were part of the hydroelectric that we have early 1900s in the northern part of Sagada, para makapag-cut kami ng lumber for the construction of the missionaries around Sagada. Then, of course, producing electricity for the community. Yes po. Hindi naman dito, northern part lang. Yes po. Okay, before we proceed, I am very sorry, hindi tayo makapag-picture ngayon. May wedding kasi.
Sige.
Let me just tell you a little story about the wedding ceremonies here in Sagada. Dito sa amin sa Sagada, if there's a wedding, a week before the wedding, as the boys, we go to the top of the mountain, to the forest, we cut some dead trees. We use that one as a firewood for the food. Yes po. A day before the wedding, we go to the villages, we roam around to catch the pigs. We need at least 20 to 30 pigs. Oh, wow. Yes, the reason why everybody is invited. Sagadian or not, you are invited. Yes, even the tourists, you are invited.
We are charan.
Let's go. Yes, you are invited.
After.
Pag nakita kita mamaya doon, sabihin ko na lang, kapal naman yung mukha nito.
He was informed.
Okay,
We are invited.
hindi tayo makapag-picture ngayon. Pwedeng daanan bukas yun.
Okay.
Yes po. Reception na lang. Doon na lang tayo diretso.
Oo,
Yes po. Okay, we proceed to the hand copies. Okay. Okay, Sir Ma'am, welcome to our cemetery. During the time that our church started, little by little, from time to time, the missionaries introduced us the cemetery. And right now, you are very lucky. We are open for reservation. Yes. Sinong may gusto? At dito sa amin, kagandahan ha, pag may namamatay, hindi mo kailangan bilhin yung lupa.
Oh,
Free yan. Yes.
Dito ako
Ikaw, trip mo na ba?
Ang matagal mabulok.
Yes po.
Kasi malamig.
Then, isa pa, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng taong gagawa ng puntod o yung gagawa ng kabaong. Here in Sagada, what do we call that in Tagalog? Bayanihan. Yes, it's still alive. Hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng taong gagawa ng puntod. Kami na mismo magkukusa. Hindi mo kailangan maghanap ng taong gagawa ng kabaong. The community will help the family. Ganun kami dito.
Ano po yun? Dito lang sa Sagada?
Yes, madam.
Outside?
Actually, they're allowed, ma'am, of course. Especially if you did live here in Sagada for quite a time. For us, we accept, you are already part of the community. Ganun kami dito. Yes. Minsan, pag wala namamatay, pumapatay dito. Hindi, biro lang. Yes po. Then, here po, tignan niyo yung cemetery natin. As you can see, some of the tombstones are vacant. The reason why, here in Sagada, kasi pag may magsawa, especially pag yung matatanda na talaga, tapos namatay yung partner niya, dalawa na yung ginagawa namin. Yes. So meaning yung mga vacant, yung partners nila buhay pa, but still, pwede rin gamitin ng family members. Yes po. Then here in Sagada, during the time of our ancestor, di ba dito sa Pilipinas, magkaugalian tayo? Yes po. During November 1st, we go to the cemetery, we visit our loved ones na namayapa na, of course, to pay respect. Yes po. Sa atin sa baba, nakaugalian, gumagamit tayo ng kandila. Yes po. Here in Sagada, during the time of our ancestor, we don't have the means to buy a candle. Then we need at least 3 weeks just to get a candle in Baguio or Candon, Ilocos. As you can see, coming here in Sagada, we've seen a lot of, we saw a lot of pine trees. Yes po. The pine trees, nagko-contain sila ng gas. Yun yung tatawag nating pitchwood or sa salita namin, more likely we call it saang. Saang po. So instead of a candle, we do bonfire sa bawat puntod. This is what it looks like during November 1st.
Oh, wow.
Yes. You can visit during that time. Yes po. So,
That's controlled?
ma'am?
Controlled fire? Parang...
Yes. Yes, of course, ma'am. Yes. Of course, every one in the community will come here. Yes po. Hindi man lahat. Pero yung iba, pag hindi nasisindihan, of course, the others, sila magsisindi. Ganun kami dito. Yes po. Parang sa amin, kakaiba yung November 1st namin. Para siyang festa talaga. Kasi bawat bahay nagluluto. Mamaya, malalaman niyo yung iba pa pagdating natin sa Hanging Coffees. Yes po. Dahil nga po pala, alam niyo yung sa 44? Sa 44, yes po. One of them, two of them are from Mountain Province. Yes po. One is from Sagada. Yung isa, nasa Baguio siya ngayon. Yun yung choice ng family. But di ba, dapat sila mailibing sa libingan ng mga bayani. Pero dito sa amin sa Sagada kasi may kaulian kami. Pag namatay ka, basta taga Sagada ka, kung pwede po yung bangkay mo, iuwi dito mismo. Ganun dito sa amin. Yes po. Okay? Picture. Yes po. Nga po pala, since one group sila.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Umuwi.
Bye, Ramon.
Pinoy.
Yung sinasabi ng mga nag-train sa amin, you don't need to tell the stories about Isa 44. Pero sa amin, kailangan kasi part na sila ng destination. Then dito sa taas, kita yung tower na yan. Globe yan.
Dito.
Dito tayo Peter, isang pinig. That's Rubus rosifolia.
Coffee shop. Dito ba siya? Sa loob? Oo. Alam dito.
Magbayad ako. Okay, bumaba ka o, dati kang umatong-ato. Okay, sir ma'am, group photo muna. Yes. Group? Hindi yung mga bata. Yes po. Matatanda yun sila na naka-fetal position. Yes po. The reason why kung bakit maliliit yung mga coffins na yan, nung araw kasi may kagulian kami. Habang kaya mo pa, malakas ka pa, umakyat ka sa taas ng bundok, kumuha ka ng sarili mong kabaong. Yes. Mabigat yung kahoy ba? So yung gagawin mo maliit lang. Pag namatay ka, even though hindi ka kasya dun sa coffee na ginawa mo, pagkakasyahin ka. Pero nung araw may advantage yung mga tao pag namamatay sila, hindi nagbabulge yung katawan nila. Instead, because of the food that they are eating, very organic, so the meat than the skin, nagsishrink yun sa buto. Yes po, kaya madalis lang ikasya dun. Yes po. Yan yung traditional coffin. Mahaba naman, locals from Sagada, pero converted into a religion. As you can see, yan yung proof na hindi naging barrier yung Kristyanismo sa sinaunang pamamaraan namin. Instead, nag-merge sila. Yes po. Even in this generation, we have our own religion, but still, we follow the old ways. Yes po.
Huwag nyo tapakan yung basang puti.
Ha?
Eh, pa sa lahat eh.
Tsaka, tanggal nyo yung butik.
Bakit simulan today?
Nandito ka kasi.
Next po namin pupunta na isa is yung Camp Sawi.
Bahala ka na. Bahala ka na.
Sa Baguio ba yan? Okay lang. Sanay naman ako mag-isa eh.
Oh,
Tara, ako ay fine na bumaba sa Baguio.
Ha?
Like, pababa na tayo sa Baguio sa driver. I'm fine with that. We can stay here for a week.
no, wala akong laptop.
Balwarte na to, bro. Bumili ka na.
Bumili ko na may
Ako naman
laptop
sa
naman.
swipe for you.
No. Also pay?
Akala ko ba best
Ano ka ba
friend
bibigyan ng Anirawan yung laptop niya eh?
Ay, oo nga.
Akala ko ba best friend ka na eh.
Best friend? Sino sabi?
Yung totoo. Madalas.
Kita ko na ngayon. Pagod. Hello guys! So nandito kami ngayon sa Blue Soil. And I'm waiting for my best friends. Kasi super tagal nila at super daldal din kasi. Labas!
Charot.
Ayun na sila! Patagal. Okay. Ako na lang. Natin na nila kami guys. So we need to move faster. La la la.
Sino ba
Ten,
kasi nagsabi ka
ten.
ng Sagada ha?
Tere, ikaw?
Sila nakatingin sa akin.
Are you having fun? Saya kayo, ang daming pawis.
Kung kailan narcissist naman ako eh.
Yan, dapat pagbayaran mo yung pagiging narcissist mo. Ano si hiker? Father Ramon.
Oo, nasuyo.
Buhati mo nga.
Princess?
Let's go. Nasunog to? Sinunog.
So that's the blue soil guys. Right for almost an hour we are here. Ay, naka-zoom. Tara! world. Yak! Kadere! Hey guys, tapos na kami mag-hike. Feels so good, feels alright. How's your experience rated from 1 to 10? 10 being the lowest.
Negative 55,300.
Eh di highest yun kasi negative ka eh. 10 ang highest, ay lowest.
50,800.
Ay, zus. Tayo.
Oh,
Chares! Go.
Ang lala ng siya. Pinanood ko sa American Horror Story.
Lady Gaga?
Yung ano, sila, Sarah Paulson.
Basic.
Oh!
Yung Coven.
Sa ibang bundok pala pumunta.
Bundok ng Tralala.
Mukhang nilinis yung paa natin.
These are strange times.
I thought I saw your face today.
By my side.
Congratulations. And welcome to the Philippines.
This
where you can
is-
This is a Baguio.
This is our last stop. Sundan natin siya. Sundan.
Mamaya bagsak na yung lahat.
Sinong
Naman
mag-work?
yung isa mag-work pa.
These are strange times.
na bunda ko. Sabi sa akin na
I like you by my side.
Kung natapos yung work mo.
Welcome to Sagada. Welcome to the streets of Sagada. Ayun. Ito Sagada Bistro. Pero inuman ko. Oh, I want to end anything you ask me to. You would go for what?
Makulit ka kasi.
Hindi naman natin iwan na kapag hindi pa tayo.
Ano ba gusto nyo? Sa inyo, tignan muna natin yung nandun eh. Yung coffee shop eh. Ano ba?
Okay, bye-bye.
Kasi hindi natin afford eh.
I'm so happy right now. Kahit ano,
Kahit pagod.
feeling ko nga pabigat ako kanina. Well, mabigat na nga ako eh. Tapos pabigat pa.
Feeling ko nga, multo na yung guide mo. Borlog na siya.
So, anyway, I'm good. So, dinakyu yung gusto ko.
So, nasa
Tapos yung sinampalukan manok.
salt and
Sure.
And then for drinks,
I think I will go for...
looks good, right?
I just have beef tapa.
Here's our
Actually, itong ulam namin kahapon eh.
sinarabasat.
vinegar ba?
Dinakyu. Vamos.
Tatanong ako.
What can you say about your ear?
patis chan. Tulog na. Tagay ba?
Suka. Arap.
Spacey, I've been lost inside a daydream. These hopes of mine could really break me or catch me by surprise. Faces, sun-kissed skin inside a basement. LA kids just trying to make it before the next sunrise. So who's that knocking at your door?